All right, Mr. Watson here. What I'm doing right now is this instructions on how to complete the battery box lab, this one, in Canvas, doing it virtually. So the virtual assignment instructions are always toward the bottom. They're highlighted in green. So here they are. What you got to do with this virtually is if you're doing the actual boxes, you would get the measurements off the boxes and fill in the chart. So what you got to do with this one is figure out what the measurements would be based on, here's the schematics down here. I did the example here, which is box A, how that would measure out. Now, when you're doing it virtually, is that the red meter lead for doing a voltage meter will always end up on either the purple or the green wire, and the black meter lead will end up on the blue or the red wire. And if you look here at this example chart, I have here purple wire, blue wire, and that would be the red on the purple, the black on the blue, and you'd read 9 volts. With the red on the purple and the black on the red, you would read almost 0, but not exactly. With the red on the green wire and black on blue, you would read 9 volts. And with the red on the green and black on the red wire, you'd read 0 volts. So how does that happen? Okay, here's the schematic down here. And the symbol for a battery is this 2 long and 2 short lines. The positive terminal of the battery is the long line, the negative is the short line. When you're measuring these, if you have the red meter lead attached to the long line and the black meter lead attached to the short line, you will read that as a positive voltage. If you have them the other way around, the black is attached to the long line and the red is attached to the short line, it'll read as a negative voltage. So you go through this one here. It said the reason why we got 9 volts with the red's meter leads on purple, the black one's on the blue here is, well, this battery, B1, positives attached to the purple, negatives attached to the blue. And all the batteries are 9 volts, so you'd read the voltage of the battery. Same thing here with the red meter leads on the green and the blacks on the blue, you'd read the voltage of B2. The long line is once again connected to where the positive lead of the meter is, the red meter lead, and you'd read 9 volts. Now the other measurements on here, reason why you read almost 0, but not quite, between the purple and the red wire is the 2 batteries are both between there, but they have the negative terminals facing each other. They cancel each other out, but not entirely. So that's why if you were doing the actual box, it would probably read about 0.1 volt or 0.07 or something like that, but not exactly 0. Versus this fourth measurement on here, the green wire to the red wire, which is along the bottom here on example A, you would read 0.0. Because if you look here, it just shows a straight wire. There's no batteries involved at all. Straight wire. That'll always read 0.0. So what you have to do to finish this virtually is figure out what you would get for readings for the other 9 boxes, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. Good luck, and do the best you can. That's all for now.